Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome to the first session of Introduction to Clay Modeling. In this course, we will use clay to make different art forms. But what is clay? Clay is any group of substances that can turn into any shape without breaking or cracking. Clay is used in building and sculpting. People use clay to make household materials like earthen pot or diyas, but its usage is not limited to that. It can be also used for decoration. You can make 3D sculptures, you can make toys, you can print 3D objects on the clay, you can paint on the clay, you can even create stop motion and kids can play with them as well. Well, is there anything that you can't do with clay? I cannot think of anything. And this course is going to explore more of such fun and artistic nature of the clay. But before that, let's learn about the different types of clay and how to use them. So these will be the clay that you will need for this course.
This is an air dry clay. I can mold this clay into any shape I like, and if I leave it for 24 hours, the air will automatically dry this clay and it will solidify. You can place the remaining air dry clay in an airtight container. This won't let your clay dry. This way you can store your air dry clay for a few more days. These are the polymer clays. So these are in between the non-hardening clay and the air dry clay with one condition. So if you bake these, it will solidify. For example, let's say I use this and I mold it to make anything. Then if I keep it in open, it won't solidify, but it will only set if I heat it in the oven at the proper conditions. This is a M-seal, which you guys might be aware of. So it's not a clay, but we'll definitely use this as a clay in one of our sessions. So it also solidifies when left in open.
The material composition and the production processes vary from different to different clay. Hence, we use different clays for different purposes. These are the tools that are generally used for modeling clay. A knife to cut the clay and others to give shape like textures, holes and lines. You can also make your own DIY tools from toothpick, earbud and kitchen knife. Well, that was just the introduction. So buckle up for the roller coaster ride we are about to embark upon. In this world of clay modeling, we will learn various art projects like clay selfie, clay mural, 3D clay portraits, beautiful clay scenery and many other cool and exciting stuff that you can do with clay. So stay tuned to What's Your Hobby and I'll see you in the next session with cute character figurines. Till then, take care. Bye bye.